Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great day. Well, today as you can see we have another unbagging. That means we have another review. Let's take a look and see what is inside this bag. Get it all out of here. We got two cross stitch kits. And this comes from DIYDigitalArt. And let's see. This one was $11. Let me get it out of its baggie here. Maybe. Put that up there. Move the other one over here. Isn't that pretty? It's a stained glass picture of a house and all the pink leaves. Got green little mountains. You got a little stream there in front of the house. Very nice. And it's made by one of those new companies. It does have the instructions right here as well. So the product number is at the top. And at the bottom it says 50 by 50. It's 191 by 191. We have 47 colors in this. So it's going to be a little bit confettied. But it does have its bigger areas, you know, like the water and that kind of thing. Let's see what colors we have. We have 310 black, 498 red, 550 purple, 823, which is a dark blue, no 939, no 3371, or 3770, and no 3865. So no, there is a white part up there, but not sure what color that's gonna be. Let's see. Not sure at all. I can't tell. Not by this little stretch of the imagination. But we'll see here in a minute. But very nicely printed. There's no blotches, no smears, nothing. Very nicely done. I do like that. Let's see what else came with this. Alright, so it comes with a toolkit with a bird, 5 needles, poof ball, thimble, and needle threader. Put that aside. It does have a bag with the product number and how big it is here. And these are my ringables. Oh, sorry. Didn't mean to hit the camera there. My bad. Got some really beautiful, beautiful colors here. Let's see if I can get it in my little fat hands there. Come on. There we go. No extra skeins. But very beautiful, beautiful colors. It's like a rainbow. Dark blues, pinks, golds, browns, tans. There's that vivid red. That's $4.98. 310 black. Blues. Oranges of every variegation. Purples, like a mulberry color. Very pretty. Just gorgeous. I love that turquoise. Ugh. So let's see here. Put that there. Put that up there. I'm finally trying to get a hold of them. There we go. Let me put that up there. We don't need that. Let's take a look at the canvas. Canvas is serged all the way around. Very nicely printed. Kind of a thick canvas. It does have the product number. And at the bottom it has how big it is and how many squares per square. The key is very nicely printed. The threading goes lightly through the edge of the bigger numbers, but not so much that you can't read what those numbers are, which is very nice. But very nicely printed. Nice, clean picture. And this is going to be a little bit big because it's a 50 by 50. So we'll see what it measures. We have 50 centimeters that way. And let's see here. 49.5 centimeters, or 19, looks like about 19.5 inches. Actual picture size is 17 inches, or almost 40, little over 43.5. I mean 43 centimeters. Hello. This way it's 43.5, or a little over 17 inches. So not too big. Nice and big and square. Some nice sit down in the middle of a snowstorm and watch your TV and just do all the big parts. Yeah, you could be good for all day. Very nice. Put that up there. Let's take a look at the next one. This one is a 50 by 65. Pull that out. I'll show you the picture. This is very similar to the one I got the other day, only everything's, I'm trying to get it to lay flat. But isn't that beautiful? Look at all the pinkish colored blossoms and the real pale pink. And then you have the sun, I'm assuming. I don't know if that's sun or moon up there, but it's very, very nicely done. Just absolutely gorgeous. Okay, this is made the same way. Product number here. Flip it over. It does have instructions on how to begin, how to end. I have a little blotching in there, but nothing too terribly bad. And there's just a little bitty, couple mishaps, but nothing that's gonna keep you away from your numbers there. So very nicely printed. And do it. It's on that lovely shiny material that does not, you know, take your pattern away every time you fold it. This has 40 colors. We have 154, which is mulberry. No 310 black. We do have 550 purple. We have 498 red. 823. We have 939. We have no 3371. We do have 3770, which is the butter color. And we have 3865 for our white. But very nice. Now, on both these kits, paper pattern will match the canvas. This is very nicely printed. Like I said, there's just a little smudge right there in the middle of that green, but we know that it's all green. So, very nicely done. And let's see here. We have a toolkit with a bird, 5 needles, football thimble needle threader. Very nice. Look at those yummy colors. Does have the product number and how big it is here. This one was $14. Sorry, I'm losing my voice. $14.75. The other one was $11 even, if I didn't tell you that. So still not very bad price for all the threads. Get rid of this. Put it up there somewhere. Let me see if I can get a hold of it again. No extra skeins. Everything's on cards. Get it a good shake. But you have blues and mulberries and pale greens and grays. There's kind of a brownish color. But mostly blues and purples. A little bit of light pink. A little bright pink there for those trees. But just gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Look at those blues. And the mulberries together. It's just absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. All right, let me see if I can get a hold of it. Okay, trick is put that up there first. Put that up there. And then you hang on to it with all your might and throw it up on top. Yay, we got it. All right, this one is serged as well. And it is a little bit longer than the other one. So it has the product number here and how big it is and how many squares per squares. This one's 191 by 256. Very nicely printed key. The stitching goes lightly into there, but their thread is so thin and so kind of almost translucent, if you will. It does not interfere with your numbers on your thread card. But very nicely done. It's got some big areas. It does have, like, right through where all those trees are, has some confetti. Let me flip it. Same thing, big area up in here. You know, they're all broken down. But where there's definition in trees, it's all right in here. So very nice. Very nicely done indeed. Gorgeous. See if I can measure this. We'll try. We'll give it the old college try here. All right. It has, whoops, I'm sorry. I pulled it about the time I got it there. Okay, it is 64 centimeters or tad over 25 inches. This way it is 49.5 centimeters or 19.5. Actual picture size is about 17.25 or 43.5 by 58.5 or 23 inches. So it has some nice, like, big areas, but it also has some confetti. I would say in this one, it has more bigger areas than it actually has confetti. So that's almost a good thing. So just stitch and go for broke. But very nicely done. You can see that's all your confetti. But you can see everything really clear and really nice. Just gorgeous. Now, DIY Digital Art has diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. They have tools and crafts for everything. They do have a separate Joy Sunday section. And let's see. I think if they have any specials or if I have any discount codes, I'll put them in the description box below. They also have, I'm pretty sure they have custom as well. But I'm just not sure which one of those three majors that they do the custom on. And they also have an other section that has home and garden stuff, lights and lighting and tools and miscellaneous. So it's kind of a one-stop shop. So do check them out. Thank you, DIY Digital Art, for sending me these two beautiful kits. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.